How to fix Slack cannot join Workspace. To fix the Slack cannot join Workspace error, first of all, you simply have to open your invitation link in incognito or private web browser window on your desktop to bypass corrupted login cookies and account conflicts. If the invitation link gives an error or says expired, you simply have to request a fresh invite. By default, Slack invitation link expires automatically after 30 days or after a specific number of clicks. Contact the Workspace owner or the person who sent the link and then ask them to generate a brand new link. And also make sure to match your registration email. If the invite was sent directly to your company's email, you must sign into the Slack using the exact email address. If you try to accept the invitation using another logged-in personal Gmail or alternate corporate profile, Slack will block the access handshake. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.